What's up, beauty bosses? Welcome back to my channel. Asia here, back with another video. So sorry I've been MIA. I feel like I say that a lot, but we are back with all new videos. I have some things I'm excited to show you, things I'm excited to talk about, and just get the ball rolling. Again, if you're new here, welcome. If you are not new here, thank you for being here. Thank you for subscribing, liking, sharing, hitting the little bell so you don't miss anything from me. And just welcome everybody to my channel. Welcome back. Very excited for all of the new videos. I feel like I just pop up with just a bunch of stuff that I've saved for months just for you guys. So I'm excited to jump into it. So first video back, I'm going to talk about a purchase that I made. Kind of seeing this around like on TikTok and Instagram, so I just wanted to check in and kind of see what it was about. I always overstuff all of my purses. Like if I have a bigger bag, it's going to be stuffed to the max, full of crap, stuff I don't need, stuff I do need, anything I just like. My purse is just like I don't even know. It's almost like a luggage bag full of just everything that I carry around from day to day. So it was suggested to me that I get a tote. That way I can have my purse. It's not weighing me down, but I also have a tote that will carry all the things that I need and extra things that I don't really need, but I just want to carry with me. So I took that advice and I went out and got a tote. You guys have probably seen this tote a lot. I know I've seen it all over TikTok and Instagram. It's a very popular tote. It's very cute, very stylish. I like it a lot. I usually carry my Never Full because that can carry up to like, I think 200 pounds. And I just wanted to give something else a try, something that looked a little sturdier and something that I can add to my collection of things. So with that being said, welcome the tote bag. All right, so I know you guys have seen this bag. It's just like a canvas print bag tote. This is the large. As you guys can see, it's pretty big, has a lot of space on the inside. Very cute, I will say. I got this from Nordstrom's, and I believe it was $215 for this one. I know they do have a smaller one, and then they also have this really cute purse that says the tote bag, but I've seen it in like different colors. I've seen them with the teddy bear material or whatever you call it. Just a lot of fun colors, fun materials to try. I had seen actually this girl that I follow on TikTok. I love following all of her products because they're just so fun, and the way that she does things, I really love them. She had this, and she was packing it actually to go out of town or on a road trip. So she had this bag. She had all of her like pens, pencils, books, AirPods, headsets, laptop, just everything that she would need for a road trip up to sit up front. She had it. She packed it with her snacks. She packed it with everything. So that was what really made me get it, because I was like, man, that looks so cute. I need something like that for my everyday. You know, I'm working, I'm running, I'm doing meetings, errands, everything, and I don't like just having things scattered all over my car. I know if you guys probably seen my car, you would think otherwise, but I just don't really like having things scattered and moved around in my car. So this is perfect. So what I do is I just pack it with, again, books, laptop, snacks, pens, pencils, my chargers for my phone, for my AirPods. I even use it like if I'm, if I go to the post office and I have packages, I put it in there. It really does go everywhere with me as if it is my everyday purse. I just leave it in the car for a lot of things. Sometimes I do bring it in, especially at night. That way I can repack it for the next day. Major pros besides it being cute is the canvas is really thick. So it is a very sturdy material. I will say that it's sturdy enough to carry everything. It is sturdy enough you know, for everyday wear and tear. You don't have to be super delicate with it because it is sturdy. The straps are super sturdy and you can feel that sturdiness. Even though I don't have anything in it, it's still pretty heavy. So those are some major pros for me. Those are things that I really look for when I'm looking for bags, especially everyday bags, because I carry a lot of stuff and I just want to make sure that it is, you know, sturdy and good enough. The downside is after carrying my Never Full that carries like 200 pounds, this only will carry, I believe, like 60, which is still good. It is very good, you know, if you're not overloading it like I would be, it is very good. But if I do happen to overload it a little bit, I kind of worry that, oh, maybe it won't be as sturdy. So that makes me a little hesitant about it. But other than that, I love it. I got black. They do, like I said, come in different colors. I've seen it a lot in tan, but I got black just because of, you know, spilling things, or, you know, it's a little easier to clean. You actually see the stuff on it. And I like black because I feel like it goes with anything and everything. So those are the major reasons why I got it. I absolutely love it. I would recommend it. You can get it from Marc Jacobs' website, you can get it from Amazon, and you can get it from Nordstrom's. Those are the only 3 places I've seen them, but I'm sure there's more, but those are the 3 that I would recommend because you just never know what you're gonna get. So that is first product back. Tote bag from Marc Jacobs, $215, multiple sellers. And if you are on the go and busy and like to carry around a tote, need something for your car, this is the way to go. I highly recommend it. And I hope you guys love it. So leave me some comments. Let me know, do you guys have this bag? Have you seen it? Have you wanted to purchase it and just didn't know? Let's talk, let's chat about it. Leave some comments below. You can also find me, of course, at asiaraycosmetics@gmail.com. You can also find me on Instagram at asiaraycosmetics, TikTok asiaraycosmetics, Twitter asiaraycosmetics, Facebook same thing. And let's just talk about it. I thank you guys for watching this video and being here. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. And here is 2 more videos for the end of 2020 going into 2023. More products, more beauty tips, more everything. Also, let me know what you guys want to see from me towards the end of the year and going into next year. I'm just excited to jump back into it with you guys, and I will talk to you later. Peace.